Hello. This is Meiji Gaming One, and this is part zero of a tutorial series I'm making on how to use my programming language Frosty. Um, I've, I made this language. It's a esoteric language or SLang, and it's designed not to be used seriously, but I enjoyed, creating it, and I'd like to make a video series on how to properly use it. So the entire point of this language is that um, all variables are like little lists of integers, and the entire language works by like manipulating and changing around these integers. Now, it was named after Snowball, more specifically Snowball 4 from 1967, which is widely regarded to be the first language with hash maps, which kind of like the variable system is built upon. As well as Frosty the Snowman because I enjoy, you know, I enjoy the movie. I enjoy the song. He's my favorite Christmas character. Okay, so how do you run a Frosty program? So you're gonna need a few things. You're gonna need some kind of text editor, like seen here. I don't need this. Some kind of text editor, like seen here, and the latest version of Python installed. So there you go. Currently, I have 3.1, 3.5. I'm not sure if that's the latest. I don't know. It kind of looks like it. Anyway, so here's what you want to do. So, for example, I have this is in my downloads folder, right? So I want to go CD download. Now, downloads, as you can see, test.fy and interpreter.py, these are both in my downloads file, right? Hello, Media Gaming One from the future. Interpreter.py is the file that actually runs your program. That's what I mean by built the language. That's what interpreter.py does. Very important. I don't know how I missed that, but it's very important that you have that file downloaded and have them both in the same folder or directory. Okay, back to the video. And so, um, they're in downloads. So now what you want to do, now that you have Python installed, is you want to go Python interpreter .py Python, Now this should bring up, it should say file, right? Now I want to run the file I have called test.fy. Now this isn't important. I'll get to what this does later. Point is, it should just print this out, right? So test.fy, and it does. There we go. And so that's basically just how you run, you know, Frosty files. And I'll explain later, what this means, how you can use it and make things with it. And that's it.